Hello, here I am on a Linux machine. Today we will write our first program, which is printing hello world on a terminal. So let us first open terminal. To do that, I press Ctrl Alt T, and here is my terminal. Now I will go to the directory where I want to save my project. So I'm in the home/username directory now. Let's say I want to save my project in desktop. So to do that, let's change the directory. CD, here it's CD, stands for change directory, desktop. Okay, now I am on desktop. Now I will make a folder for my projects. So mkdir stands for make directory. Project name is my project. Let's say my project name is my project. Okay, now if I press enter, it will create a folder on desktop. Now I will go into the my project directory and I will create a source file for our C program. So to do that, gedit, then our source file name is hello.c. Okay, now what this gedit does is it opens up a text editor where we will edit our source file hello.c. Okay, now let us write the code. First we have to include a header file named stdio.h. It is a header file where the standard input-output functions are declared. Now in this stage, if you don't know what a header file is or what a function is, don't need to panic. We will cover it later in this course in details. Okay, now int main, just write with me and I will explain everything as the course goes on. Okay, here we have included a stdio.h header file. Then here we have declared a function named main function. Every C program has a main function, one and only one main function. And now in this main function, this is function body. Here we will do some operations. Okay, what we want to do in this case is print hello world on the terminal. So to do that, there is a function called printf, which is defined in the stdio header file. We want to print hello world. Okay, now if we close it, here in the printf function, it takes a parameter which is a string. This apostrophe here says what is inside this two apostrophe is a string. So hello world is a string. Now we will put a semicolon here. Now why a semicolon? Okay, every statement of C language ends with a semicolon. It is a way of saying to compiler that the statement has ended. Okay, now we'll go to another line. Return 0. Now return 0 is a statement, so we put a semicolon here. Now what is return 0? Okay, this main function, we can see that before this main function there is a thing int This int stands for integer. This means that this main function returns an integer, and 0 is an integer. So we return here an integer 0 after everything has done successfully. We could have returned 1, say, or 100 or anything, but it is a standard practice to return 0 after everything. That actually nothing but says that your compiler has executed the code and came to this very last line. Okay, so it is a way of saying that everything went right. Okay, now let us save this file and saved it and close it. Now we want to execute this hello.c file. To do that, we have to first compile it. Now in this case, Linux has a built-in compiler, GCC, but for Windows you have to install the compiler manually. I have another video to do that. If you are using Windows, you can see that video and learn how you can run this code there. Linux is that awesome. Now we compile the code G++. The code name is hello.c. Make sure that you spelled it correctly. Then we are making an object file, so -o. Then the object file name is, let's say, hello. Okay, no problem. Hello. Now what happened here? What happened is this GCC compiler made an object named hello in my projects directory. Let us see if that is available there. Yes, there is a hello, and it is green. Why is it green? Okay, it is green because it is executable file. Executable files are shown as green in terminal. Okay, now if we execute it, hello, let us see what happens. Enter. Oh, we see that there is a hello world message here. It's good. What we wanted we got, but after this hello world, it did not create a new line. If we want to make a new line after this hello world, what we have to do? Okay, let us gedit again our code. hello.c. Okay, let us open. Okay, here we have printed hello world, but there was no new line after this hello world, but we want a new line. So to do that, we will write here \n. What this tells the compiler that after this hello world message, print a new line. Okay, save it and close. Then run. Before running, I have to again compile it. So g++ hello.c -o hello. Okay, it is compiled. Now I can say hello.